Hi everybody, we are giving demonstration of Surgic AP physio dispenser unit, the model called Surgic AP. I am explaining the part by part which is comes along with the package, full package, control unit. It has a serial number with the model. After that, so there will be irrigation pump, irrigation motor, needle. It will be provided with one protection plug, grey in color. Okay. Always whenever the consultant who goes for outside and all, they have to remove the peristaltic pump and they have to put the protection plug for the safety of to avoid the breakage of the pins. This is the control unit, main control unit, foot control, then rubber stand, peristaltic pump to be not to be autoclaved more than 20 times, and motor. So motor to be, while autoclaving, you have to put the protection plug while autoclaving. And power cord, irrigation tube, pack of 5, saline stand. This is the irrigation nozzle. Compulsorily we have to use compulsorily this nozzle while lubricating after surgery or after implant case. This is a very compulsory. Then other spares, it's a calibration bit and internal irrigation nozzle and L pipe, Y irrigation tube and 7 connectors to hold the irrigation tube. Here, just the connectivity I am explaining you. This power point, plug in. Then after that, installation of peristaltic pump. This installation of peristaltic pump. Stand to be mounted on the slot. Connect the micro motor. There is Hi, I am just switching on the unit, Surgic AP control unit. I am giving the working demonstration of the unit. Yes, I will switch on the things. There will be beep. We will hear one beep sound. Already our installation has been completed now. Installation of motors, irrigation system to the control unit and foot control connected. Now I am explaining the display part. See, this is the system part to use the calibrate the unit. Okay, and this is the gear system to change the handpiece gear 1:1, 1:64, 1:32, 1:20. Usually now we are using, since we are using for implant purpose, the handpiece is 1:20, SMAX ST20. We have to set it at 1:20. Okay. Then this is the button to increase the irrigation coolant, increase the coolant and decrease the coolant. Now next, forward and reverse button, and this is the memory. After setting the speed, torque, just to memorize the program, speed and torque. Here in this system 8 programs is you can able to store 8 programs. See, This is the program button. Program number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8. Then now we have to reset the 1:20 handpiece we are using. Since we are using 1:20, we have to set it at 1:20. Program number 1, according to the implant drill, we have to set the speed. So almost all the speed, maximum available speed in this system is 2000 rpm. Maximum torque, available torque is 50 newtons. 50 newtons, maximum 50 newtons, maximum speed 2000 rpm with 1:20 handpiece. Okay, then you have to set it at program number 1, first program. I am resetting program number 1, 1:20 handpiece to speed according to the implant. Example, I am taking 1500 and torque 25. Then see, this is the one kind of set ready for use. Just memorize with the long pressing the memory button. Now program number 1 is set. Now this unit is ready. Now we are ready with the program number 1 with the 1500 rpm speed, 25 torque with the 1:20 implant handpiece. I am going to insert. It's a non-optic implant handpiece 1:20. Now from the saline bottle, to get the irrigation for the coolant purpose, with the help of irrigation tube, I am connecting with the to the handpiece, the other end of the peristaltic pump, irrigation pump, other end of the peristaltic pump. With the help of other end of the peristaltic pump, I am going to connect to the handpiece area. The handpiece is non-optic with the external irrigation. Okay. If the doctor requires external irrigation, directly you can connect the other part of the irrigation pump through the help of irrigation tube. If the doctor requires internal and external things, you have to take one Y nipple, Y connector. So I will show the Y connector how it will be. This is the part Y connector, and this is an internal irrigation nozzle. Internal irrigation nozzle. Okay, this is the external irrigation nozzle. I will show the connectivity. Take the other end of the irrigation tube and connect to the Y nipple at the bottom area, and clip on this one end to external irrigation, other end to the accessory provided from the at the handpiece box. This is the internal irrigation. Usually implant bit itself is having holes inside there. Just insert this. There is one important information. We are providing one bit along with the spares. Okay. This bit is nothing but calibration bit. Calibration is nothing but the provision provided with the users. Just by pressing long, you will get calibration. This is nothing but to bring back the efficiency of the handpiece speed calibration to the maximum extent. Now again I am pressing. Now calibration in the display, it shows calibration. Now I am repressing the button. See, it will start slowly rotating the motor. This system called calibration. Now it's moving slowly. See, now it will run with high speed. Once the calibration done, the display come to the normal with the indication of done. If anything failure in the handpiece, there will be indication on the display failure.